And old Polly went riding out one dark and stormy day. They'd pushed him to the sidelines, but he wouldn't walk away. He'd seen the game behind the scenes, the power and the lies. Now riding with the thunder comes the fire in his eyes. Yippee-yi-yi, yippee-yi-yi, ghost voters in the sky.
The system's rigged with favors and deals behind closed doors. The common voice is silenced while the lobby money roars.
But out there in the paddocks, the silent crowd still waits for someone tough and honest, someone who won't placate. Yippee-yi-yi, yippee-yi-yi, ghost voters in the sky.
Then down the range comes Colin, fierce and battle scarred. She's copped it from all angles, but she's still standing hard. She rides for those forgotten, left behind by party spin. And when she draws her line in dust, you won't be stepping in. Yippee-yi-yi, yeah, yippee-yi-yi, ghost voters in the sky.
Now Barnaby right beside her, eyes sharp against the wind. They don't play safe with sound bites, they fight like it's not pretend. Together now they're rallying the storm across the land. Two riders for the battlers with conviction in their hands. Yippee-yi-yi,
Stand your ground,
yippee-yi-yi, ghost riders.
riders in the sky.
They're coming for the strongholds, for every crooked sea. The Polly's laughing chambers, but behind their thin disguise, they're trembling at the sound of boots and truth they can't deny. Yippee-yi-yi, yippee-yi-yi, ghost riders in the sky.
No headlines can contain them, no smear will make them fall. They speak the words that people feel but never dare to call. So mark it on the sunset, let the skeptics scoff and lie. One nation's got two riders now, and they will not pass by. Yippee-yi-yi,
Here they come!
yippee-yi-yi, ghost voters in the sky. Ghost voters in the sky.
Ghost voters in the sky.